عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولله الأسماء الحسنى فادعوه بها وذروا الذين يلحدون في أسمائه سيجزون ما كانوا يعملون. Honorable guest kinds, teachers and my dear students, in this meeting I want to tell you about some of the qualities of Allah Almighty, who is our master. If no one is like Allah Rabbul Alameen, then surely there are qualities which no one but Allah Rabbul Alameen possesses. Some of his qualities are: Allah has created all mankind, He is our creator. He gives food to all His creatives. He is their provider. He is the giver of life and death. He is the master of the universe. He is all-knowing. He has no needs. He is the Almighty. Now it is our duty that we pray only to Allah can fulfill all our needs and solve all our problems. If we have complete faith in the power and greatness of Allah, we will not be scared from anyone else. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاءِ وَالْمُبِينَ.